Hello, Bacho. Let's read this question. It says, what do you understand by the term bandwidth of a communication of a transmission channel? And explain this term for analog and digital signal. Okay, so what is the key concept we are using here? Key concept is communication or transmission channel. Transmission channel. What is a transmission channel? Basically, in communication system, we do what? We transmit and we receive the signals. So transmission channel is actually between the transmitter and the receiver, a part which is between the transmitter and receiver. Now, what is the bandwidth? Bandwidth. So basically, when we just modulate any voltage, for suppose we are modulating amplitude modulation, so we are modulating a wave of its amplitude. So it goes to a maximum frequency, which is called as the frequency of modulating that our signal plus the frequency of the carrier wave, and it goes to a minimum frequency, that is the frequency of the carrier minus the frequency of the modulating signal. So the distance between this upper frequency to the lower frequency, that is called as what? The bandwidth. How can I describe this? So bandwidth of a communication channel is the bandwidth of a communication channel is defined as the difference between the difference between the highest and the highest and the lowest frequencies that the channel allows to pass through it. If we talk about this bandwidth in the terms of, so even we can write that the bandwidth is actually the bandwidth, जो bandwidth होता है वो basically क्या होता है? upper frequency band or upper frequency level minus lower frequency level or lower frequency band. If we talk about in the terms of analog and digital circuit, so we know that analog signal is like a signal which changes with respect to time, and digital signal is like a signal which is continuous and certain changes and certain comes like this. So the first one is the analog signal. This is the digital signal. So the bandwidth for the analog is maximum, or you can say is more as compared to the bandwidth of digital signal. Why? Because the analog signal is in analog signal frequency is a sine is a sine wave, or that is also called sinusoidal frequency. Okay, is a sinusoidal frequency. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand it well. Best of luck. Thank you.